Say hello to the Access Tempe, a student accommodation where luxury makes everyday life feel like a vacation. Choose from a studio, ensuite, or one-bedroom apartment with private rooms and bathrooms, and also featuring a spacious wardrobe, sleek TV, stainless steel appliances, and in-unit laundry facilities for unparalleled convenience. Your rent covers bills for high-speed internet, electricity, and even pest control. So no more surprise bills during your stay. Get productive in the community workspaces, recharge at the Starbucks bar, or grab a snack from the vending machine. Want to catch a break? Wind down in the gym, on the basketball court, or with friends in the community kitchen or game room for unparalleled fun. Staff support and controlled access is available for your security. You're just minutes away from Arizona State University and Grand Canyon University, so getting to campus is easy. With buses from Lemon Street, plus the light rail station on McClintock, getting around is seamless. So book your room at the Access in Tempe via amberstudent.com today.